Hi, it's Megan with the Morphic Field. Stop what you're doing for the next 4 minutes. We are going to channel your ancestors. You are going to receive support and messages from them. We will tune to the Morphic Field, which reveals the unseen energy and information of the universe. So let's begin. We will begin by connecting with you in this present moment, you now, noticing what you're noticing, allowing yourself to be open to receive, connecting to the field, connecting to the frequency, information, resonance of the field, becoming more aware, more conscious of the unseen, deepening your awareness of you, your consciousness. What is your experience of you? How does it feel to be in your body? Giving yourself more space for your thoughts and your feelings, opening yourself up to receive information, connecting to your higher self, connecting to your spirit team, connecting to source, opening up your third eye, your crown chakra, the space above your head to receive this information, to be present to the frequency of our spirit team, those with us to support us on our journey here for our highest good, being aware that you are alive in this present moment, feeling your spark within you, the life force within you. See if there's any information your higher self wants you to know right now, something you can awaken within you, a remembering of who you are. Now let's invite our ancestors in, inviting them in from behind, looking through your mind's eye, feeling your ancestors, the support behind you, those who can stand in their strength and resource you, asking your grandparents to come in, your great-grandparents, your great-great-grandparents, your great-great-great-grandparents. See your ancestors behind you now. Feel them like a V extending back, generation after generation, asking your ancestors to be with you right now, asking your ancestors to spark their own divinity within, their direct connection to source, asking your ancestors to stand in their completeness, their wholeness, acknowledging what lessons they learned in their lifetime, what abilities and gifts they had or learned, what they passed on to you that can resource you, presencing the love from your ancestors to you, presencing the love that your ancestors had among themselves, the love present in the spark as each person was created generation after generation, new life, feeling healing right now spreading throughout your ancestors, generation after generation, until it reaches you, restoring love, restoring abundance, restoring connection. So feel this healing everywhere. Let's turn to look at our ancestors. So in your mind's eye, seeing your ancestors now in front of you, who do you see? Who is trying to get your attention? See what they have to say to you, what messages they have for you. You could be hearing those messages, feeling those messages. Receive. See if there's something that you've been holding. It could be a burden, a belief that's not serving you, that belongs to your ancestors. Give that back to them right now. When our ancestors carry their own fate, their own burdens from their own lifetime, they get to be whole and complete with that lifetime. And we get to be unentangled and free so that we can live our own life. This is part of the healing when we work with our ancestors. See if there's anything you want to say to your ancestors. You can say it out loud. Okay, let's turn back around, feeling again our ancestors supporting us from behind so that they can rest in peace and support us from the other side. And we can be present in this moment, alive, carrying on the gifts and blessings and resources of those who came before us, and being free to be your own true authentic self and feeling supported and resourced from those who came first. Your ancestors are always supporting you, always here for you. Okay, we'll complete here. Thank you for watching this video and for connecting with your ancestors. You're not only healing yourself, you are also spreading this healing back all these generations and also to future generations in your family system. Some of you may not have been fully able to connect with your ancestors or couldn't feel fully resourced or are still carrying burdens. These short videos are just a snapshot of the deep healing and transformation that we can access through the Morphic Field. If you'd like to find out how to work with me one-on-one, visit my website, themorphicfield.com. If you got something out of this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you'd like to stay connected to the Morphic Field.